Alright everyone, welcome back to another video, and today what I have for everyone is my follow-up video with the GinCoband and a unboxing and first impressions of the Realsign adjustable silicone bands for your Xiaomi Mi Band 4. But this is also compatible with your Mi Band 3, Mi Band 4, Mi Band 5, and Mi Band 6. So, before we get into this unboxing and first impressions, let's talk about a follow-up with the GinCobands for the Mi Band 4. Alright? So, if you remember from my previous coverage of the Huawei band, the Huawei Mi Band 4, my initial band that I got when I purchased the Mi Band 4 broke in pretty drastic fashion. The clasp portion here broke off altogether, right? So I was forced to go out and buy more bands, and I found the GinCobands in a variety of different colors for a really great price. Check out my unboxing and first impressions of that if you would like to know more. All links to my extended coverage on the Mi Band 4 and all the associated videos will be linked up down below in the video description, along with all affiliated links and things of that nature. But I've been using these bands for quite a while now. I can't actually remember, but my last favorite band just broke the other day. So you can see I lost the clasping portion that hooks around and locks in, right? And this is red. This is one of my favorite colors. Then we have blue, right? This one tore around the clasp, similar to the stock band. And then we have white. This one also tore around the clasp, right? Now, all of these bands, I would have to say, lasted me about 3 to 4 months before they broke. And I would actually have to say that that is really good considering how rough I was with these bands. I'm the type of person that when I find something that works, I just use it. So I just integrated the Mi Band 4 into my regular everyday lifestyle, and that was it. And like I talked about in my full review, I have not been gentle with the Mi Band 4 at all, and the same thing goes for the bands. I wear it when I sleep, I wear it when I shower. I just integrate it perfectly into my daily life. So the fact that the bands that I got, the GinCobands, were able to last a good 3 to 4 months, that's actually really good. So if you think about it, each one of these bands lasting 3 to 4 months, that means that you're actually going to get a lot of usage out of these replacement bands. Now, although I have other bands I can use, I'm not a fan of these colors. That's why they stayed in the package. And also, to go along with that, I also picked up a fancy band. So this gives you more of a traditional formal look. To be honest with y'all, I probably used that twice and put it back in the box and never used it again. I'm not the formal type of person. For me, comfort is king, all right? Just like I prefer with my women, natural beauty means everything and comfort is king. So if you like how you naturally look and you're comfortable, you are a beautiful woman to me. And at the end of the day, that's what matters to me as well. Comfort is king, right? As long as everything goes together and I'm comfortable, I'm a happy man, right? So we didn't really use the formal bands that much, maybe 1 to 2 times. But that being said, can I recommend that y'all pick up the GinCobands if you're looking for replacement bands for your Huawei Mi Band 4, Mi Band 5, or Mi Band 6, because it's all interchangeable? I would have to say yes. And again, all links will be linked up down below in the video description. All right? So can I recommend these? I would have to say yes. All right? Now let me put these to the side and let's do an unboxing of the Realsign bands. Realsign silicone adjustable bands for the Mi Band 4, Mi Band 5, and Mi Band 6. Press this off to the side. And here we have it. Now I have to say, this came in a really nice and protected package, and I was very surprised, especially considering how small it was. So kudos, Amazon. And it came early. I'm actually slated to get it tomorrow, on Friday, and it's actually Thursday, the 14th of April. So kudos, Amazon. Y'all had me doubting because y'all packaging for my last few products has not been the best, but y'all are recovering y'allself. You know, y'all are redeeming y'allself. This was really nicely packaged, and the presentation on it is really good, really clean, very simple, very straightforward. So y'all can see we just got a barcode on the back here, letting you know what it is. Give y'all a nice close-up of that. Spinning it around to the front, y'all can see I got the 2-pack. So I got the black band and the blue band, and these are nylon adjustable straps. Okay, so let's crack into this and see how they look. Let me crack this off camera so y'all don't see the struggles. Alright. Bam. And we're in here. Okay, so here's the black one. And here's the blue one. Boom. Nothing else in the package. Press this off to the side. And now let's check these out. So here's the black one here, and it is fully adjustable. So all I have to do is loosen this up till it gets to the size of my wrist, and then put it on. And then if I want to put the Mi Band in, I just have to slide it in down here. All right. And the same thing goes for the blue one. So let me give y'all a nice close-up of the black one here. Very nice black. I don't know how well my camera is going to pick it up. Okay. But very nice black, very durable, very nice breathable material. I like it. And then let me check out the blue here. Again, same thing. Really nice dark navy blue. You can kind of make out the pattern better on the blue. So very nice high quality nylon, especially for the price. I was actually able to pick this up for just under $10. I'll have the digital receipt thrown up in post so y'all know exactly what I paid for this. So really nice dark blue. Again, you just slot the Mi Band, the core part right in there, and it's good to go. So now what I want to do, I'm going to pause the video real quick. I'm going to adjust the bands, and I'm going to come back and give y'all my first impressions. I think we're going to go ahead and start off with the black first. So give me a few minutes. Let me adjust the bands. Let me slide in the core component for the Mi Band 4, and I'll come back and give y'all my first impressions of the Realsign adjustable nylon bands, replacement bands for the Mi Band 4, Mi Band 5, and Mi Band 6. So give me 1 second. I'll be right back. Alright y'all, so now we are back, and as you can see, I got the band installed. I got the core components for the Mi Band 4 installed, and here's what it looks like on my wrist. Initially, I gotta tell y'all, loosening up this part was kind of tough, but all you need to do is just loosen this up to where you can get your finger in there, and then you can open the band up to the size of your wrist. So all you would need to do is push this down until you get enough space in here to get your finger in there, and then you loosen it up all the way. So it's kind of like it's adjustable, yes, but you're gonna have to fight with this initially till you can get your finger in there, just like that, and then you can pull it down to the size that you want. So I just pretty much had to pull it down to the size of my wrist here, as you see right there. Then you put the band in, put the core component in, and then you slide it onto your wrist, just like this, and it will be on. So I just want to give y'all a demonstration there. Little tough, was messing around with it for a few minutes before I figured it out, but that's how you do that. And then when you want to take it off, because it's nylon adjustable material, it just comes straight off. So you don't have to mess with any type of clasp. You don't have to mess with any type of buckle. It's just all one piece. and I have to say I really enjoy that. So first impressions of the Realsign adjustable bands for the Mi Band 4, Mi Band 5, and Mi Band 6 is actually really good. And now I'm going to go ahead and put this through its paces with my Mi Band 4 and see how it holds up over time. And I did find a few more of these in a few different colors, like there's a red and black, there's a white and gray, there's an Xbox colored one, original Xbox, so green and black. I found a variety of different colors of this nylon material, so I might just go ahead and link that up down below in the video description along with the ones I got here. And if these work out to be really nice, I'll go ahead and order more. But y'all know initially I had to start off with my favorite colors, so black and blue. Now if there was a white or a 4-pack with some red, I would have got that too, but a 2-pack was all I saw initially, so I figured we're just gonna rock with the black and the blue. But anyways, that does it for my follow-up with the GinCoband and my unboxing and first impressions of the Realsign bands for your Mi Band 4, Mi Band 5, and Mi Band 6. Now, as with the GinCoband, I'm just going to use these like I normally would, and if I run into any issues, I'll go ahead and make another follow-up video. And side note, y'all, I've been using the Mi Band 4 for quite a while, and I've actually been ready for an upgrade, but I was looking at the specs and some videos on the Mi Band 5. Aside from the display, there isn't really that much of a difference. And then also, I was looking at the specs and the screen size of the Mi Band 6. And again, aside from the display, it's not really that much of a difference. So same internals, give or take a little bit of memory and a little bit of storage. Same peak brightness on the display, same battery life, same charge times. So I don't know if I'm gonna bite the bullet and upgrade to the Mi Band 6, because although the Mi Band 6 is essentially the same as the Mi Band 4, it does have a full 1.56 inch display. So I don't know, I might do it, I might stick with the Mi Band 4, I'm not sure. But what I need to know from y'all is if I do bite the bullet and pick up the Mi Band 6, would y'all like coverage on it? Or what would you want me to do? Would you want me to do an unboxing and first impressions and that's it? Or would you like an unboxing, full review, software walkthrough, all that good stuff? Y'all know how I do when it comes to wearables. Please leave your feedback down below in the comments. As always, all feedback is greatly appreciated. And as always, if you guys and gals enjoyed this video and or you found it helpful, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. And as always, if you would like to see more coverage or content like this, please feel free to hit that subscribe button down below and make sure y'all click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. Now, that being said, this whole video here today was recorded with the rear-facing primary 12 megapixel camera on the Samsung Galaxy S10e. This is recorded in 720p at 30 frames per second, and we are using the Pro Video Camera application inside of the stock Samsung application, and we are using Bluetooth audio. So all the audio you guys and gals are hearing throughout this video is coming from the onboard mics on the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2. Let me take it out and show you. Alright, so all the audio you guys and gals is hearing is coming straight from the onboard mics on the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 right here. Okay, let me put it back in. So please let me know what y'all think of the overall video quality, as well as what you think of the overall audio quality and the lighting. Now, I do have the professional studio lights going, as y'all can see right there, and I do have the overhead smart studio lights going as well. So please, as always, all feedback is greatly appreciated. Just remember, y'all, to keep it respectful, please. And as I said earlier, All the links to everything that I talked about in this video, along with the extended coverage, will be linked up down below in the video description, and there will be affiliated links down below in the video description. And with those affiliated links, I do get a small percentage of kickback that I put back into the channel so I can keep producing content for you guys and gals, but that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So as always, the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. I hope everyone is having a great day. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next one. We are out of here. Have a good one, everybody. Peace.